Hello winners, and welcome to another lesson of learning mathematics. This time around we're going to do the numerical examples of angles between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. So this is not really far different from what we did last time when we were simplifying the expressions using the reduction formula. What differs is that last time we were just using the degrees, but this time around we're given the numerical examples of angles, just like the one that we have here, which is our first example. We're given that sine 360 degrees minus 70 degrees. So firstly, what you have to do here is that you're going to press your this value that we're given here in the bracket, which is 360 degrees minus 70, and when you press it, it gives you this value here. When you press it, it gives you 290 degrees. It gives you 290 degrees. So when it gives you that value, you're going to come here and consult your cast diagram, and here on the cast diagram you can see that 290 degrees lies between 270 and 360, which means it lies in this portion here. And in this portion, we know that it's only cos, right? So let me remove it. In this portion, which is the fourth quadrant, we know that it's only cos that turns out to be positive. Anything other than cos, it becomes negative. So here we have sine 360 degrees minus 70, which means that our answer is going to be negative sine 70 degrees, because we've seen that the value here that we got, which was 290 degrees, lies between 270 and 360, which is in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant is only cos that is positive. Okay, so now we go to our next example where we're given tan 197 degrees. So here, since we're given this, we have to simplify this expression using the reduction formula. And then first thing first, we have to make sure that we consult this class diagram here. So we're going to look at the 197 degrees and see where it lies here. So we can say that 197 is a value between 180 degrees and 270 degrees. It means that it lies on the third quadrant. So which is why we got to this. So since it lies on the third on the third quadrant, and then the third quadrant, we know that it's 180 degrees plus theta. So it means that we're going to say 10 open bracket 180 plus, and then for us to find this 17 here, we said 197 minus 180 degrees, right? Hope you can say it. 197 minus 180, it's going to give us 17, right? So which is why we finally ended up with 180 degrees plus 17. It's because 90 degrees is positive on the third quadrant. So from here, all you just have to do is that you have to simplify. Since 10 is positive in a third quadrant, which is where 180 degrees plus theta lies at, and then it means that our final answer is going to be equal to positive 10 17 degrees, and just like that you are done.